Everything is energy. You are energy. We are all connected by this invisible force. This energy vibrates. Like a beautiful symphony, your vibration creates your reality. When your vibration is high, you attract joy, love, and abundance. Low vibrations bring negativity and block blessings. You have the power to raise your vibration. Choose thoughts, feelings, and actions that align with your highest self. Embrace the journey to a happier, more fulfilling life. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose and clarity. The energy you emit is like a magnet, drawing experiences and people that resonate with your inner state. When you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you elevate your vibration. This isn't just a metaphysical concept, it's a practical approach to living a more joyful and abundant life. Start by incorporating small, mindful practices into your daily routine. Write down affirmations that uplift your spirit. Words have power, and by repeating positive affirmations, you begin to rewire your brain to focus on the good. Engage in activities that bring you peace and joy, such as yoga, meditation, or simply spending time in nature. These practices help to clear your mind and align your energy with higher vibrations. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Human connections are a powerful source of energy. When you share moments of joy and laughter with others, your vibration naturally rises. Acts of kindness and compassion also play a significant role in raising your vibration. When you help others, you not only improve their lives, but also enhance your own energetic state. Don't forget the importance of movement and expression. Dance, sing, or engage in any form of creative expression that makes your heart sing. These activities release stagnant energy and elevate your mood. Continue to seek knowledge and wisdom. Reading, learning, and expanding your mind contribute to a higher vibration. The more you grow, the more you align with your highest self. Remember, raising your vibration is a continuous journey. It's about making conscious choices every day that align with your true essence. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and watch as your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your vibrational frequency. Positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude raise your vibration. Negative emotions like anger, fear, and sadness lower it. Notice how you feel. Become aware of your emotions without judgment. Choose to focus on thoughts and activities that uplift you. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a crucial role in your vibrational state. Clutter and chaos can drain your energy. A clean, organized space invites peace and clarity. Pay attention to the energy of places you visit. Choose to spend time in environments that feel good. Create a sanctuary in your home. Surround yourself with beauty, nature, and inspiring objects. You don't need drastic measures to raise your vibration. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating simple practices into your daily routine. These practices will elevate your energy and attract more positivity into your life. Remember, you have the power to choose. Choose joy. Choose love. Choose to raise your vibration. Section 5. The power of routine. Start your day with intention. A morning routine sets the tone for your entire day. Incorporate practices like meditation, journaling, or gratitude exercises. These activities are not just tasks to check off your list. They are powerful tools that can transform your mindset and energy levels. When you begin your day with a clear intention, you set a positive tone that can influence every interaction and decision you make throughout the day. These practices will help you cultivate a positive mindset and raise your vibration from the moment you wake up. Meditation allows you to center yourself, clearing your mind of any lingering stress or anxiety. Journaling provides a space to reflect on your thoughts and set goals, while gratitude exercises shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. Evenings are equally important. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to unwind and release any stress from the day. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretches. The goal is to signal to your body and mind that it's time to relax and prepare for sleep. This will help you get a good night's sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. A consistent bedtime routine can improve the quality of your sleep, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. When you wake up feeling well rested, you're more likely to have the energy and focus needed to tackle the day's challenges. By establishing both morning and evening routines, you create a balanced structure that supports your overall well-being. Remember, the power of routine lies in its ability to bring stability and predictability to your life, allowing you to navigate each day with greater ease and confidence. Section 6. Time is your friend. Give yourself the gift of time. Rushing creates stress and lowers your vibration. Practice arriving early to appointments. This simple shift allows you to move through your day with more ease and grace. When you're not constantly playing catch-up, you have more mental and emotional space for positivity and joy. Remember, time is your friend, not your enemy. Section 7. Nature's healing touch. Spend time in nature. Nature has a profound ability to soothe the soul and raise your vibration. Take a walk in the park, sit by the ocean, hike in the mountains. Even a few minutes surrounded by greenery can work wonders for your well-being. Connect with the earth and feel your energy recharge. Section 8. Look within, find peace. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for raising your vibration. These practices help you quiet your mind, connect with your inner self, and cultivate a sense of peace. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Consistency is key. The more you meditate, the more you'll experience its transformative effects. Meditation is not just about sitting in silence, it's about creating a space where you can connect deeply with your inner self. Imagine starting your day with a few moments of stillness, allowing your thoughts to settle like leaves gently falling to the ground. This practice can set a peaceful tone for the rest of your day, helping you navigate challenges with a calm and centered mind. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about being fully present in the moment. It's about paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your surroundings and your reactions to them. This heightened awareness can lead to a greater sense of clarity and purpose in your life. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated. You can start by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath as it moves in and out of your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Over time, you'll find it easier to maintain this focus. As you become more comfortable with meditation and mindfulness, you can explore different techniques and find what works best for you. Some people prefer guided meditations, while others enjoy silent meditation. You might also find that practicing mindfulness during everyday activities like walking or eating can be incredibly beneficial. Remember, the goal is not to achieve a perfect state of calm, but to create a habit of returning to the present moment. With regular practice, you'll find that you're better able to handle stress, make decisions with greater clarity, and experience a deeper sense of peace and well-being. So, take a moment to look within and find the peace that resides in you. Section 9. You are powerful. You have the power to create a life you love. You are not defined by your past or your circumstances. Choose to focus on the positive. Choose to see the good. Choose to raise your vibration. The universe is conspiring to support you on your journey. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. You are powerful beyond measure.